Boo.
You still got your hand ups, bro.
Yeah! That's the best part. Yeah, boop you. Ready? Boop. Boop.
Shit!
Hi, yes, can I get...
Bro, I want to drive. Move.
You can see his eggs.
Hi, Ella. Hi, Ella. Ellie. Ella. I got a teacher and a catcher and put her down when we go.
You gonna put her down?
Nah, I'll hold her.
Don't ask. Stop asking. No. No. You can't have pancakes, then you stop listening. You're on a special diet.
Someone's not a fan of the vacuum.
I was a good boy. I was such a good boy.
Did you do it? Did you? Did you pee on my floor? Did you pee on my floor, Joe? Bad girl.
They're arguing over that. That's actually a good massage.
Blending in isn't a hobby for Kat. It's a generational talent.
Oh, what the heck? What is it? Oh, little tiny little blood pudding!
Proof that sometimes the shortest legs carry the biggest attitude.